Geospatial analysis is a technique of building and analyzing map-based visualization made from GPS data, sensors, mobile devices, etc. etc. So the visuals can be in the form of maps, charts, graphs, and plotting maps with Python library Folium is easier than we think. So here I have imported Folium library, and folium.map takes the location parameter as a latitude and longitude. So let me run. So here I have passed the latitude and longitude of Chennai. So you could see, and the map is kind of interactive. So let's do more in this. We can resize the map using Branca library in Python. So I am importing a method called figure. So we can use figure class for resizing our maps, and here I have passed the desired width, height, zoom start, minimum zoom, maximum zoom. So if you see, a particular portion is cropped. Thank you all.